Thank you for calling PC Richard and Sons. How can I help you?
Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
Do you guys sell refrigerators?
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to put you on with somebody who can help you with that?
No, thank you. But are they running?
Yeah. We have refrigerators.
So then you better go catch them.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, you
Do
guys
you
sell
want to
them,
speak to
right?
somebody?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, we
please.
just tell them. Yeah, we do.
Okay, yes, please.
All right, hold on just a moment.
Okay.
Everything is running perfectly the first time. Hi, I'm Greg Richard at PC Richard & Sons. Urging you to support your local family-owned business. Buying products locally keeps your town and community thriving.
Thanks for holding. Can I help you?
Hello.
Hello.
Do you guys sell refrigerators?
We do.
Are they running?
I'm sorry?
Are they running?
What do you mean, are they running?
Like,
We have a sale going on the refrigerators. Do you know what model you're looking for?
no, but like, are they like in use right now? Like, are they running?
I don't understand. Are they plugged in? No, we don't.
Yeah, okay.
None of the refrigerators are plugged in.
So then I wouldn't catch them.
I'm sorry?
You should go catch them.
No.
If they're running, you gotta go catch them.
I have no idea what you're asking.
Are your refrigerators running?
No, they're not, because they're not plugged in. We don't plug in our refrigerators. It's
Then
a
don't catch
display
them.
model.
Then don't catch
Yeah,
them.
I guess you can't have a fun time catching them.